Late this afternoon, President Trump asking the Supreme Court to clear the way for National Guard troops to be deployed in Chicago. Our Sabrina Franza is live outside the Broadview ICE facility with more on this breaking story. Sabrina.
Hi, Erica. This is something that experts expected would happen when the federal judge made the decision to issue this temporary restraining order. She said she expected there would be an appeal. That appeal was filed that following weekend and reaffirmed the original judge's decision. Now the Trump administration is asking the Supreme Court to weigh in, arguing that, quote, federal agents' efforts are met with prolonged, coordinated, violent resistance that threatens their lives and the safety and systematically interferes with their ability to enforce federal law. Our CBS legal expert weighing in on this.
I think in this particular case, it's somewhat unique because we have conflicting decisions between the Seventh Circuit here in Chicago and actually an appellate court out in California. That's the type of case they will readily take. And I suspect they will issue some order, either affirming the Seventh Circuit and allowing Judge Perry's order to stand, stopping the National Guard from deploying, or the opposite.
Now, when this case was originally heard at the Dirksen Federal Building, Judge Perry asked the attorneys for the Trump administration to provide evidence that this was happening. They could not answer many of her questions. She asked, quote, what if the DHS folks are not tethered to reality? She also added, quote, ICE is indiscriminately gassing peaceful protesters. Now today, outside of the Broadview facility, we know of at least 13 arrests made this morning, all by state police, not federal officers. Protesters were in the street area outside of the processing center, outside of the designated free speech zone where they are supposed to be protesting. Agents have been able to enter the building behind the line of local officers. Now, the Supreme Court, they have to decide whether or not they will hear this case. The Trump administration is asking for a stay, meaning they want them to make a decision without hearing from both sides. Meanwhile, the state of Illinois has until 5 p.m. Monday to respond. We're live in Broadview. Sabrina Franza, CBS News, Chicago.
Sabrina, thank you.